The application layer provides network services directly to applications. Protocols such as HTTP.
The presentation layer translates, encrypts, and compresses data before transmission. The session layer manages communication sessions between systems and ensures continuous dialogue.
The transport layer breaks data into segments and provides reliable communication using TCP or fast delivery using UDP.
The network layer determines the best path and delivers packets using IP addresses. The data link layer packages packets into frames and uses MAC addresses for local communication.
The physical layer transmits raw bits across physical media using electrical, optical, or wireless signals.
Data is encapsulated as it travels down the OSI model and decapsulated when it reaches the destination.